Hey y'all, Tanya Neely here. Welcome to A Life That Glows YouTube channel. I wanted to share with you today how to make an essential oil roller ball remedy. So you would use roller balls or roller bottles, you can call them either way, for topical use. So this would be something that would go directly on your skin. You could use it for respiratory issues, maybe swipe across the bridge of your nose. You could use it for any kind of seasonal irritations, right, to your eyes, to the congestion, applying it to pulse points. You could use it for any kind of skin conditions that you just need a direct application to a certain area. So roller remedies, roller balls, roller bottles are really, really easy to make. I order mine off at Amazon and they look like this. So they come with a cap and they have the little roller on the top, okay? And when you're making a roller, it's really easy to reuse them. So you can see I'm using the cap here. I'm just gonna pop it open so I can actually refill this one. Now, when I am making a roller bottle, what I like to do first is add my essential oils. So depending on what you're after, you'll choose the oil or oils to address your needs. So for instance, if you wanted something to help support or promote better sleep, you might choose Serenity, okay? And I always add my essential oils first. Now this one already has some in it, so we'll just have to pretend that it's empty. But I always add my essential oils first, okay? And then I top it off with fractionated coconut oil. And I really love the ones that have the pump because it's so easy to put it right directly in that bottle and then top it off with fractionated coconut oil. You can use any carrier oil. Fractionated coconut oil is just nice for me. It's not greasy. It helps absorb into your skin readily. It doesn't have any scent either. And then when you're ready to recap it, you can see that roller is in there already. So I can just push the cap down, wind it down, and then that's already ready to go. You could also take it out and just pop it in with your finger, but it's kind of nice, it's less mess to use it that way. I always label my rollers, so you can see this one. I just use little mailing labels. I wrote on here what it was. So this one is my Zendocrine roller. I use it for little daily supports of detox and support for my elimination organs. So this is one way to label it. Another way is to use the handy dandy little stickers that come in your welcome packet or that you can order off of various websites. If you're blending lots of things, you can see it gets kind of busy. So do what works the best for you. I also, if it's a single oil, sometimes I'll just put the sticker right up on the top because I tend to look down on my oils and it's a really easy way for me to find them. Rollers are really simple and convenient. You've got it pre-diluted for members of your family. You can take it with you on the go. These will go through TSA. Just make sure you take them out and have them in your little plastic bag. Super, super simple, super convenient way to use your essential oils. Hope that was helpful for you. If you have any questions about rollers, please do comment below, let me know. As always, if this is a great resource for you, please do like it, please do subscribe to this channel and share it with someone you know that could use a little extra support with their essential oils. Thanks so much, everyone. Bye-bye.